Okay, so it is Thursday morning and I have the day off. I do have some videos that I need to edit, but I don't feel like editing. I edit videos almost every single day and I just don't feel like doing that right now. And I have other things I need to do, like clean, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a clean with me video, clean my room and my makeup vanity. So if you guys wanna see me do that, this is gonna be like time-lapse style, could be oddly satisfying. Let's get started. Cleaning my room. I feel much better. I'm glad that I did that. I figured it would be a fun little like time lapse for you guys to watch. Maybe oddly satisfying to see everything go from messy and cluttered and dirty to picked up and tidied and clean. I feel like my room doesn't look clean ever because my carpet is so dirty and because I have pets and kids and I have white carpet and it's like not a good combo. As mentioned in my other videos, I mentioned my carpet because I'm like really embarrassed about it. I know it's not that big of a deal, but I'm still so embarrassed about it because it just looks so bad. Because I actually just recently painted my room again and I'm almost done redoing it, redecorating, whatever. I'm not fully done because of like finances and money and time too, but the next thing that I want to do to my room is take the carpet out because I actually have wood floor underneath and I want to do some quarter round around the whole room and get like a big huge white. I should probably get a different color than white considering I still have pets and kids, but I am gonna get a white area rug and put it over the wood flooring so that I can get rid of this dirty carpet. I feel like the carpet makes my room look like forever dirty. Maybe it's just me, but I do feel that way. But yeah, besides the carpet, my room is all tidied. All my makeup is put away and cleaned up and wiped down my whole vanity. And I feel better because I feel like having a clean, organized, decluttered space is really good for mental health and your mindset. Personally, I feel like when my room is messy or when my little makeup area is messy, it messes with my head because it's like always in the back of my mind that I need to clean and it clutters my thoughts having a cluttered area. You know what I mean? It's just kind of stressful to have a mess all the time. So having a clean space is good, and you should always take time to clean your area, whether that's your room or your office or your car or whatever. Clean it because you will feel better. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean with me, I guess. I've never done one of these videos before, but I know they're popular, and so I figured I would try it out with you guys and see if you guys enjoy it. So if you did like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, and follow me on Instagram because I'm on Instagram the most. So if you want to get a hold of me, chat with me, see what I'm doing, my day-to-day life, then definitely follow me on Instagram. My name will be on the screen, or the link to my Instagram will be in the description box below. I'll see you guys later. Bye!